Man, what's going on? What's going on, folks? More in particular, the OG sneakerheads. Y'all know who you are, bruh. So, I know you've seen the title of the thumbnail, bruh. And, yeah, we got the Air Zoom flights back from the dead from 1998, bruh. From no other than Gary Payton returning in 2026, bruh. Yeah. Yep. Definitely. All right. Before we even get into it, bro, you already know what it is, man. Hit that like and subscribe button. Please hit me in the comment section and let me know what you feel about these joints right here, man. Yo. Yeah. These joints are nice. These joints bring back so much nostalgia, bro. Like 100%. I am here for these. I'm going to get these in 2026 when they drop, just because I had them before. I had these in 1998, bro. It was a good year, man. Gary Payton was a dog, bro. And the fact that we finally getting these again from, the OG in 98 up until, we got the retro in 2014. Bruh, it's 2025 going into 2026, and we finally about to get these joints again, bruh. If you didn't know, Gary Payton is the glove. Don't need to say that for all the OGs out there, because you already know, man. He was called a glove because lockdown defender, bruh. 100% lockdown defender, bruh, for the Seattle Supersonics, man. Him, Sean Kemp, Deadlift Shrimp, all them cats, man, over in Seattle, bruh. Gary Payton was a dog, man. Now, don't think about the Laker years when he went over and him and Karl Malone went over to the Lakers, and yeah, it was a travesty. It was an absolute disaster. But yeah, Gary Payton had some good years, man, out in Seattle, bro. Hall of Fame player. Son plays in the league right now, and bro, we getting the Air Zoom flights, bro. Yeah, we look at them, bro. So the colorway, black, white, university red, style code, all that good stuff. And we don't have a specific release date for them yet, but they will be dropping in 2026. Hopefully in the early part of 2026. Like that though. That's an Air Force One mug, bro. Yep. We keep it tried and true here, man. Just follow them little Gen Z, Gen Alphas, whatever you want to call yourself, who decide that Air Force Ones are now a dad shoe, bro, get out of here. Talked about that in the previous video. If you ain't check it out and comment on it if you are OG, or if you are a Gen Z or Gen Alpha sneaker lover and you just think that this is a bunch of cap. Okay, let me not use y'all words. This is a bunch of bullshit is what it was. Air Force One is the ultimate sneaker shoe, bro. 100% the ultimate sneaker shoe. It's the ultimate sneaker. It's early in the morning, bro. I need to drink some more probably. But anyway, back to these, bro. I've been waiting a while for these, bro. I got my Griffies. I got my Barclays. I got the Jason Kids, bro. We racking them up, bro. We are really racking them up. I appreciate Nike for dropping these again. Look at that, bro. Yep, bro. These go back to the monkey paw lockdown, cage on the side. Yeah, I'm good with these, bro. This shoe is so dope, bro. And it was only one way to wear these, bro. It was only one way to wear these, man. But how and where do you rank the Gary Paytons with all these other 90s era basketball sneakers? We got some heat on this list, bro. We got some Shaqs. We got the Shaq Gnosis. We got the Kamikazes. We got AIs, Grand Hills, and the list goes on and on, bro. Like I said, we got the pennies too. Where do the Gary Paytons fall in this list? Give me your top 3 down in the comment section. I want to know how my OGs and all my other sneaker lovers out there too. We not specifically talking to the OGs. We talking to everybody who watching the video. But You had to be alive in order to appreciate the shoes that are on this list. You had to have wanted to fight somebody for these shoes. We don't promote violence, but you know what I'm saying. Back in the day, bruh, you begged and you begged and you begged for these shoes. Give me your top 3 off of this list, man. Where did Gary Payton's fall in that list? I kind of got an idea where these are already gonna go, but I'm gonna give you mine right now. I'm gonna give you the phone posits. We're gonna go with those. Man. Let's go with the Shagnosis number 2. And yeah, damn, bro, that's tough. I ain't fucked up already. Boy. All right, okay. Scrap that, because I looked at this list, but I missed some things, obviously. Number 1 is going to be the Jordan 11 Concourse on this list. Those are going to be number 1. Number 2, gonna have to go phone posits. And number 3, we're gonna have to go with the Jason Kids, bruh. Yeah. Fight me in the comments, bro. Let me know what you guys think. Give me your top 3. Are you looking forward to the Gary Payton's dropping, the gloves dropping in 2026? If so, let me know down in the comment section, bro. That's all I had for you today, man. I'm your boy Money Matt. Thanks for watching. Again, please do not be afraid to hit that like and subscribe button, bro. It don't cost you nothing to hit that button. Damn, bars. Anyway, I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important with the rest of my day, as you should as well. Bid you folks to do. We gone.